Hello and welcome to yet another review from the Electronic Pick today, and today we are going to look at the Logitech K480 wireless Bluetooth keyboard for your smart devices. Really impressive on the first looks with its old style typewriter looking like keys basically, and the tactile feedback on these keys are pretty good as well. It stands somewhere between an actual desktop keyboard and a laptop keyboard, so it's not as soft as a laptop keyboard, and it's not as big or rigid as a desktop. So the overall feel of the keyboard is somewhere between a laptop keyboard and a desktop keyboard. On the left you can see the device selection dial, actually pretty smooth, very ergonomic that way, and that rubberized finish that you see on the dock or the cradle is a mix of light green and yellow color, and that holds all of your devices very firmly. And the only downside, it holds your unit only at one particular angle, so you'll have to adjust with that. However, most of the phones and smart devices fits perfectly. Like you can see now, we have kept an iPad. This is an older version of an iPad, an iPad 3, and yeah, it holds it perfectly fine. We wish that Logitech would bring out a device which has a cradle with tilting capabilities as well. And here is the rear side of the Logitech K480 keyboard. There's a battery compartment, and you have a couple of AAA batteries there. And to the right you can see the indicator, which is for the power, and also for low battery indication. And to the right again we have the power button. Another thing we have noticed is that the power LED turns on for a while and then goes off into a power saving mode, and hence the standby time on this device is really amazing. This is how it appears on your list of Bluetooth devices. A very easy way of connecting the device. Once it's paired, you just have to press the PC button or the I according to the type of device that you have, and this is how fast it connects to your device. There you go, the blue light is gone and your device is connected. These are some of the shortcuts that you can use. Viewing background apps, going into standby, wake up, volume control, which also includes muting and unmuting, and great, you can take a screenshot as well, which you can quickly find in the gallery. Another thing that you notice is the sturdy rubber feet, very well designed again, and it holds the keyboard firmly onto the surface without it slipping out at any point. Really well designed by Logitech. It's pretty much a standard Logitech follows on all their devices. Overall, we have a very good impression on this particular keyboard, because the first thing is that it connects to any devices with its brilliant Bluetooth connectivity capabilities. It's fast, quick, and very reliable at the same time. There is no disconnection of Bluetooth or anything. Does not actually matter if the dial is only for 3 devices. You can just quickly connect to any Bluetooth device in a jiffy. And the other thing is that the battery life of this unit, again, like I said earlier, it's very impressive, and we are very much fascinated about the way it handles power. Overall, it's worth every penny that you spent. Well, thank you again for visiting the Electronic Pick today, and see you next time. Bye.